Do you remember the last time you sat in a park and watched a tree sway in the breeze? How relaxing it felt, like you could watch it forever. Well, if you do, then congratulations, you've done some mindful meditation before. And if you have no clue what that means, let me explain, bro. So mindfulness is being able to concentrate on the present moment. So being able to focus on the here and now. So it's usually useful to focus on something, like your breath, or an object like a tree. Or it can be the taste in your mouth right now from the dinner you ate, the sound of your neighbours arguing again, or the feeling of the clothes that you're wearing. So meditation is how you actually build the skill of being mindful. People usually think that when you meditate, you're not supposed to have any thoughts. So when they do have these thoughts, they just give up straight away. As soon as they realise that their thoughts don't immediately stop, as soon as they cross their legs and close their eyes. But don't worry, this is completely normal and something I thought too. So, if you have tried to meditate and struggled to get through the early awkwardness, this is the best way to meditate in my humble opinion. So firstly, sit comfortably, eyes closed, focusing on your breath, for example. But if you do struggle to focus on your breath, you can focus on anything that's happening right now. So something you smell, hear, or feel. No matter what you choose to focus on, you'll start having random thoughts almost straight away. It could be that you start thinking of the person who made that weird face at you earlier in the day. That girl who left you on red. Or maybe you forgot to take the chicken out of the freezer and your mom's about to get home. In which case, you should probably do something about that, bro. So basically, you'll inevitably get distracted and start thinking about random things. Then you'll soon realize that you've started thinking about random things and that you're not being mindful anymore and you've forgotten about your breath focus. And as soon as you realize this, just refocus on your breath again. And this will complete one full rep. Another couple seconds later, you've probably been tempted to revisit some of these thoughts. And when that does happen, just again refocus on your breath, and that's another rep. So, think of each time that you're able to realize that you're not being mindful, and then return to your focus as one rep towards building your mindfulness muscle. So the more that you practice this, the more that you'll be able to notice when you're not being mindful in and out of meditation, which is a major benefit that I've definitely noticed in my life. So just to summarize, the process of mindful meditation is that first you meditate, you focus on the present moment or your breath, when your mind wanders into random thoughts. You then realize this, and then you recenter back on your breath, and then you repeat.